How to customize Wells Fargo card. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can customize Wells Fargo card on your device. In order to customize your card of Wells Fargo, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, open up any web browser of your choice. After you open up web browser, on the web address bar, type in the link that is www.wellsfargo.com/creditcard/design. So here you'll be able to see all the instructions on how you can actually design or customize your credit card. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find a lot of instruction. Basically what you can do is, in order to customize your credit card, you can add all of these features, such as you can add your favorite photo of your family or friends or your pet, your child's artwork, and all that information. In order to do this procedure, what you need to do is you need to click on design your card, which is right over here. And as soon as you do this, you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. So once you're on this page, you need to log in into your account by entering your credential, that is username and a password. So quickly enter in your information and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directly taken to the customize page. And right on this page, you need to select your account type, that is whether it's a business account or a personal account. Since I have a personal account, so I'm going to tap on start here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So in order to customize your credit card, you'll need to click on select background, which is underneath the credit card option. As you can see, now you'll be able to customize your credit card. If you want to customize a picture from the suggested list as well, then you can just simply scroll down and then select the image accordingly. You can see there are a lot of categories such as animal, nature, sports and hobbies, all that. You can go through it and then select the category accordingly. In my case, I'm just gonna go with the pet. However, if you want to upload your picture or the picture that is stored on your device, then you can simply click on upload your image. And as soon as you've done that, click on choose a file, and you'll need to insert the image or drop and drag the file right over here and then click on the upload button, and you'll be able to upload the image. So as you can see, these are all the features, such as you can move the pictures, adjust the picture and all that information, scale, and you can just adjust the color and you can rotate it, whatever. If you want to do it, go through it. And after you've done that, you'll need to go through the step number 3, which is preview your design, which means that you'll need to check whether the design is accurate or not. So go through it all. If you find that there's something missing, tapping on all of these following options, and then you'll be able to adjust it. Once you've done that, click on the submit button. And lastly, you'll need to order your credit card, so you need to click on the submit button, mark on the terms and condition, and you'll be able to order your credit card. And then you'll be notified through a statement that the application has been successfully submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can customize your credit card of Wells Fargo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.